Max, can you turn it off for like 1 second?
Welcome to week 13!
Okay, so when it says Jack Van Cleef poked you 13 times in a row, does that mean you just kept clicking the button over and over again?
No, it means we poked
Oh, okay.
It's Monday. I'm done with class. It's about 3:59, so basically it's 4 o'clock. And nothing much planned for the night. I'm very hungry, so I'm going to go get some food right now. And then after that, I have Pembroke Night Live, which I talked about last vlog. Shooting for that. Stop at AC. And then I'm going to dinner with my dad's cousin, Gay. So basically my aunt. I'm going to go eat now. Colors of spring are upon this campus. The trees are blooming, people are laying out in the field, and there's this nice breeze. Finally gave the calf a name.
What's up?
I have some exciting news. I get my phone back. I've been without a phone for the past 3 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, and I finally am getting a phone. So that's exciting. Now I'm gonna go and shoot Pembroke Night Live. And I'm just standing here waiting to do something. Just got done filming for Pembroke Night Live. Went well, super fun, super easy. Some really weird clips, but that made it interesting. Now I'm off to dinner with my aunt, cousin, family member. Just got back from Bar Taco. It was so good. Pretty much concludes Monday. Not much more happening tonight, so we're gonna end it here. Tuesday starts in 3, 2, 1.
It's 5:50 in the morning. We're going to shoot a video for Jack. It's for his project. And he needs the sunrise.
Today is Tuesday. Not a whole lot planned for today. As you can see, we woke up early in the morning, helped Jack out. But now, what I do have planned is I'm going to the Frist Art Center for my poetry/art experience class. It's a field trip. Field trips are always fun. And then I'm not really sure what's planned for the rest of the day. I have a lot of work to be done, like always. I feel like I say that every time, but I do. And that's pretty much all that's on tap for Tuesday, so we'll just figure this out together. But I gotta go. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back in business. You can communicate with me. Here you go, Mom. I'm sure you're so happy to see this. She's missed me. Ethan, there's something you want to say?
What's up, vloggers?
Did you get?
My phone.
Oh, good.
Finally. Thank you, Dad. I really appreciate it. Mom, I will text you more and call you more now that I have my phone. Also, anybody who's been watching this and wondering why I haven't replied to them, probably because, one, I didn't have a phone. Two, if you're texting me on a non-Apple device without iMessage, I haven't been getting your. So that's why my phone's blowing up now.
Today is Thursday.
Getting a 9-volt battery because nobody had them. We're back in business.
Are you doing video? Ooh,
Yeah.
You can do video tomorrow night.
Put you in my vlog.
Think about it. Yes.
Oh my gosh, what a beautiful day.
Did you guys go to Bar Taco?
Yeah.
I saw your cousin.
Landon, are you part of this?
I am part of it. I was trying to be sincere, but it ended up looking like a butt cheek.
Okay, now I have to go give my poem, so wish me luck. Well, here we go. Turns out I actually didn't have to read my poem. And now we are headed to Radnor to film Hunt's video for his honors class.
You wanna do this?
Now we are at Barista Parlor.
I have to crouch.
Yeah, you can.
That's good.
You can.
Time to go.
Went from being a nice day to being a nice, cozy, cold, rainy day. We didn't plan that. Brennan, you can have your own time. Okay, go.
Now, with one udder on his forehead.
That'll wrap up Thursday for us. Just working on my computer now. Probably gonna go to bed soon. Friday. Today. Friday. That was gross. I'm sorry. Always take the road less traveled.
What if there's murderers on your left?
Go to class, please.
I'm going to, Mom.
Okay, bye. Off to my Understanding the Bible class.
Love Jesus like you would a little tiny baby caterpillar.
That's awesome. Interesting.
Nashville is a Mexican food desert. They don't have any good Mexican food except for Mas Tacos. Americanized Mexican food. I want like greasy, like cheesy goodness.
That is also, which is also Americanized.
They're gonna watch Peaky Blinders, and I am gonna go to the calf before my next class. Done with class, packing my bag, because we are going to take pictures with none other than
Hello, vloggers.
Grace.
My name is Noah, the sea is my home.
Tennessee rainbows.
My
Everybody knows that's our state.
is my
Yeah,
We're the rainbows.
My name is Noah, and the sea is my home.
Where are we going?
Revelate.
Fun fact, the guy that I shouted out in last week's vlog, Daniel Cheney, is here right now. We saw him walking in, and Tyler's gonna talk to him. Taylor Thomas! Gracias.
When all the lines come.
driving and
Thank you
hanging.
for guys being my friends, because I like being your friends.
I've kind of like got this mad mucus cough going on. There's so much pollen in the air. Back at the dorm with yet another beautiful sunset outside. I've kind of been in a funk, so I'm gonna go put some miles on the Nike app. Go for a run. Just got back. 2 miles, so short one, 16 minutes. Not too bad for how many hills there are. But I think I'm gonna end Friday here. Not really sure what we're doing tomorrow, but I'm sure it will be another eventful Saturday. See you in the morning. Good as place as any. Good morning. It is Saturday morning, and as you can see, we're up pretty early, hitting the road. We are going to Rock Island I think it's a national park. I don't know, not really sure what the title of it is. Anyways, it's this massive waterfall. We've been there once before, but really excited. Hear that sound. Welcome to
Rock Island State Park.
What's up, guys?
Did you guys sleep good?
I tried to, yeah.
Okay, for the remainder of this video, I will be operating a glide cam, so please enjoy this cinematic look of Rock Island State Park. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, cinematic beauty. You guys enjoyed that little cinematic clip of Rock Island. It was a beautiful day. Still is a beautiful day. We're moseying our way back to Nashville and Belmont. We are back on campus in the terrible parking garage.
You guys say parking job. I was like, oh.
Parking. No, you did great, Gigi. You did great. Since we are all poor college students, we're eating at the caf. Oh, shoot. Time to buckle down and get to work. Thanks for watching week 13. That's a wrap.
Hello? Hello?